Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how I do my go-to makeup look. I'm sorry if I sound congested. I'm actually suffering from the seasonal flu or cold with my sinuses, so just bear with me. So I did my eyebrows off camera because they were taking a while, and no, so I went in with my foundation, buffed that in with my foundation brush, and usually for my go-to makeup these days, because my skin is really, well, for the most part, clear, I don't really go in with the foundation that much. And this foundation actually has a lot of coverage, so you don't really need that much. So I just do 3 dots and a little at the top on my forehead, and that's it. Then I'm gonna go in with my concealer, my ColourPop concealer. Like, I love this concealer. I've had it for probably a year and a half. Ever since they dropped this concealer line, I've had it, and it has never failed me. One thing though, you have to set it because it creases a lot. You really have to set it as quickly as possible. I just buff that in with my elf concealer brush, and I mostly use brushes to apply my makeup. I started out with sponges, but it's kind of icky to me. I can't explain it, but I buffed that out with my elf concealer brush, and yeah, that's it. The one thing I really don't go light with is probably the concealer, because this really brightens up your face. And even if you do a lot with it, you can tone it down with a darker concealer, or even go back in with a toops or your foundation, and that's it. Then I'm gonna get the setting powder. This one is in dark deep and listen, well, medium deep, I think is it. It is so smooth, like so smooth. Look at the difference before I added it. It's so smooth and it's soft, like you get an airbrush look, and it minimizes the pores as well. Like, it just falls right into your pores. It's really good. So next, I'm gonna, well, bronze slash contour with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark, and I'm using a Morphe. I don't remember what name this is, but it's a densely packed brush, but it's from Morphe. Really don't remember the name. And I'm gonna get a blending brush, an eye blending brush, to just smooth in my contour. Just, well, I'm not really contouring to like get snatched, but just to bring back some dimension and color to my face. Then I'm gonna go in with my face powder. This just helps to bring everything together, so everything's smooth, there's no harsh lines, nothing like that. highlighter. This is subtle, but it gives you like a natural glow at the same time. And yeah, but if you see me looking like off camera, I'm watching Lock and Key on Netflix. I just started it that night and it's really good so far. So yeah. So now I'm just jumping the gun and flexing for no reason. So don't mind that. Then I just went in with just a random mascara, honestly. Don't even remember the name. Then I'm setting my face with some rose water and sorry, I only use rose water to set my face because it adds moisture and it adds to the glow as well. I don't really use like quote unquote setting sprays anymore. Then I'm adding my lip gloss. Never used to be a lip gloss kind of girl. It was always matte lips, but this lip gloss is it. Ever since I tried this the first time, I haven't went back. It was always lip gloss, and it actually makes my lips look juicier and plumper. But yeah. So yes guys, this is it. This is my simple go-to makeup look, and if you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching. And if you're new, subscribe, like, comment, share, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.